Hello everyone, welcome. Did you know fleas can jump 350 times its body length? Cats have 26 baby teeth and 30 permanent teeth. Crocodiles cannot stick their tongue out. 9% of dog owners will have a birthday party for their pet. Slugs have 4 noses. The only mammal capable of flight is the bat. Every dog has a unique nose print with no two alike. Cats have over 100 vocal sounds while dogs have about 10. A newborn kangaroo is the size of a lima bean. A dog's sense of smell is 1000 times greater than a human. Polar bear skin is black. Only female mosquitoes bite. Starfish do not have a brain. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. An average dog is as intelligent as a 2-year-old child. The largest spider in the world is the South American Goleth bird eater. A cheetah can reach speed from 0 to 113 km per hour in a matter of seconds. Lions are a very lazy creature. If you cut off a snail's eye, it will grow a new one. Sea turtles never meet their parents because after a sea turtle lays its egg, they return to the sea, leaving the nest. Bats are not actually blind. A butterfly has about 12,000 eyes. Penguins propose with a pebble.